How to hide your post from someone on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you the ways to hide your post from someone on Instagram. So in order to hide your post from someone on Instagram, first thing first, you need to check your internet connection and then log in into your account. So basically there are different ways of doing it. So for that, what you can do is, the first way is you can switch your public account to private. So for that you need to go to your profile, and after that you need to tap the tab bar icon, go to settings, and from here tap the privacy button. In my case, I already have a private account, so right on top you'll be able to see public account. So all you have to do is just toggle the button and make sure that you've enabled private account. Now this is gonna, so what this actually gonna do is that those who does not follow you on Instagram will not be able to see your post on Instagram, and those who follow you, only then the particular user will be able to see your post. Apart from it, if you want to hide the particular post from a particular person, then what you can do is you can just go ahead and look for the particular contact. So let's go ahead and select a particular user, let's say this one, and after that you need to go to your profile and tap the three dot icon. Once you've done that, you can just go ahead and tap the restrict button and go ahead and tap on, and once you have restricted the particular user, he or she will not be able to see any of the update that you give on Instagram. So that's basically how you can hide your post from someone on Instagram. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.